Okay, this is Dwayne Gibson with Enterprise Selling Solutions, and I want to take a moment today and talk to you about a new feature that we have in the program that will help you with maintenance customers that are in the program as listed as maintenance. So when you go into a customer record, and we're in the admin or we go in the customer record here, and then let's just really look at any customer. So we'll look at Bob Toomey. And what you're going to notice here now is there is a new place for us to put when we want to perform maintenance for this customer. So what's going to happen is your call taker, dispatcher, whoever, salesperson, service tech will choose whether or not this customer is a customer, and then they would put whatever the date is that they become a customer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in, by holding down control or command, the dates that you're going to perform the maintenance. And what this will do is it will save, when you save this, it will save those dates in the customer record. And as we develop this product, what will happen is the dashboard will show when the burden is on the company of running these maintenance calls by month. What also will happen is if you go into the defaults area, we'll go to defaults, and then we're going to go to dispatch. You're going to notice a new spot here for default maintenance email. This is an email that's going to go out the month before to the customer, reminding them that they have a maintenance call that's going to be set up the next month. So when the customer gets the email, the admin of the company is going to get the same email. And so whatever this email says will actually go to the customer and to the company. So it will help you with your pipeline of maintenance business. At the same time, it will help you with the reminders, letting them know when you're coming out. It also will help you when we implement the dashboard, which will be in a couple of months, probably sometime end of October. There will actually be a dashboard here by month of when you have burden for running maintenance calls for the customers. Again, my name is Dwayne Gibson, Enterprise Selling Solutions, showing you the new customer maintenance field within the customer record. We always encourage you to reach out with questions, comments, or feedback through the blue button at the bottom right. Always the easiest way to reach us, or you can call us in our office at 904-260-2622. Thank you for watching my training video on the customer record. This is Dwayne Gibson with Enterprise Selling Solutions.